Hello beautiful, I have another wig show and tell, and this wig is brought to you by HairSoFlyShop. The link below to this wig and their direct store will be in the description box. The wig that I have today is Sensational Vice Synthetic HD Lace Wig in the style Vice Unit 7. The color I have is Chunky Highlight Blonde, and this wig is available in 11 colors. I have been getting a few comments lately on wigs that people can wear where they don't have to use a hot comb or a mannequin head and a tripod. So today I'm just going to try to install this wig without all of those things that I usually like to use. First, I'm going to go in and cut off the extra lace in the front. Then I'm going to spray some dry shampoo on the hair because it is coming off very shiny. I'm going to use some makeup powder, which is the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360. I'm going to apply this powder underneath the lace of the parting space and hairline. When I use makeup powder on the lace, sometimes it don't completely get the lace to blend with my skin, but to me it's like a lace tint. Right there in the back is where I hooked my adjustable straps. And underneath, I'm going to go in with a brown nude stocking cap. I clip the hair back so I can focus more on the hairline. I'm going to go in and cut down the baby hairs a little shorter. And as you can see, the lace doesn't look too bad on my skin, but I would like it to blend some more. So I'm going to take a little bit of my foundation and put it on a paper towel, smudge off some of that product with the brush, and then apply the makeup on top of the lace to the hairline. Right here, I'm applying makeup powder to the parting space. This just helps hide the knots on the wig and make the parting space look a little bit more realistic. Now, if you have a little hump at the top, you guys know I like using my hot comb, but in this case, I'm going to use the blow dryer. The heat of the blow dryer is going to help smooth out the roots too, and also help get that hump down at the top. All right, queens and kings, thank you so much for sticking around for my end results. But right here is my end results, and I really hope you like it. As you can see, this was a quick, easy, beginner-friendly install. The main point of this video was not to use the mannequin head or the hot comb, but also trying to find something that's affordable and quick on the go. So like I said before, I do believe this wig is beginner friendly. The length of this wig on me, I would say, is about 22 inches and my height is 5'6". At first, well, I still am a little iffy about the ends of the hair because it's really layered at the bottom, but I feel like the color makes the layering stand out. And as for the hair density, it's not too thick, not too thin. It's right in between. I also like how flat this wig is laying on my head, and I definitely need my braids redone. So it's looking good. The parting space comes really nicely plucked, and it's very deep. And like I say all the time, the deeper the parting space, to me, the more realistic look. The color blend on this wig is really nice as well. I feel like the color just makes the wig pop out. I'm not really too much of a fan of brown hair on me, but I've been giving it a try recently, and I must say it's a pretty dope color. So the fact that they add those gray streaks in it and blonde streaks, that was very creative. I know a lot of you are wondering, is this wig big head friendly? My head circumference is 22 inches and I do have some stretch cap room left in there. So if you have like a 23-inch head circumference, 24-inch, I do feel like you're in for the clear. And if you have a smaller head than 22 inches, then I recommend crisscrossing the adjustable straps to make it a little bit more snug. I like when I split the hair in the back, you don't see my wig cap or the tracks isn't showing, so that is a major plus. When I was styling the wig, I got no tangling and no shedding. If you're looking for something affordable where you can't break the bank, then I totally recommend this wig, but definitely keep a paddle brush on you because I definitely see this wig tangling. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll try my best to get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys later.